In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage projects with Asana. If you're new to Asana, don't worry, we'll walk through the basics together, helping you navigate project management like a pro. First things first, head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. Once there, you'll want to click on Log In to access your dashboard. If you haven't set up an account yet, don't worry. Simply hit Get Started or Try for free and follow the prompts to create your account. It's straightforward and will get you ready to experience everything Asana has to offer. Now, let's dive into creating your first project. Look for the plus button on the dashboard. That's your gateway to setting up a new project. Click it and you'll be asked to choose between a list, board, calendar, or timeline view. This choice should align with your team's workflow and how you envision tracking your project tasks and milestones. Once you've chosen a view, it's time to name and describe your project. Make sure the name is clear and the description concise yet descriptive enough to provide context. This will help anyone accessing it understand the project goals and requirements at a glance. Organizing your project is crucial. In a list view, use sections to categorize tasks. If you're working within the board view, you'll be setting up columns. It's all about segmentation that aligns with your project stages or task types. This organization will make task management far more intuitive. Speaking of tasks, now is the moment to add them under their respective sections or columns. Break down larger projects into manageable, actionable steps. This level of detail is key to maintaining momentum throughout the project's lifecycle. For each task, set clear due dates and priorities. Assign deadlines to monitor progress and keep your project on schedule. Accountability is a huge factor in team projects. To ensure tasks are completed, assign them to specific team members. Doing so clarifies responsibilities and expectations. For more complex tasks, create subtasks. Subtasks help in breaking down intricate processes into smaller, approachable actions. To make sure everyone is on the same page, include the necessary files, documents, or resource links as attachments within tasks. This helps team members access the resources they need immediately, without having to hunt through emails or other platforms. Collaboration is at the heart of Asana. Use comments on tasks to discuss ideas, ask questions, or share updates. If you need to grab someone's attention, use the @mention feature. Not only does this keep communication centralized, but it also ensures everyone remains informed. Sometimes tasks rely on others being completed first. In these instances, indicate dependencies between tasks. This will help in managing timelines and preventing bottlenecks. Before we wrap up, I want to share a few bonus tips. Explore Asana's pre-built templates for various project types to save time. Integrate Asana with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom to streamline communication and file sharing. Automations in Asana can take care of repetitive tasks, freeing your team to focus on what matters most. And finally, setting milestones can symbolize major achievements, giving you and your team targets to aim for. That's it for today's Asana tutorial for beginners. I hope these steps empower you to confidently manage your projects. Happy organizing, and I'll see you in the next video.